Hello students of class 3, myself Nikita Patel from Saraswat International Academy. Today I am here to teach you mathematics, chapter number 1, where to look from, part 3. So, as you can see, our today's topic is tit for tat. Now, what is tit for tat? It is a famous saying in Hindi, जैसे को तैसा. So, what we will learn today about this, as you can see, one day Amina met a painter. Now, here one girl is there named Amina and a painter is there in this story. Now, what is their conversation that we will read? Amina is asking, "Can you make my picture?" Here Amina is asking, "Can you make my picture?" So what this painter said? Yes, sure. I charge rupees 200 for it. Now the painter is saying, yes, I can draw your picture, but I will charge 200 for it. Now what next? After a while, the painter showed her the painting. Now as painter said that I will draw your picture, so same way he draw Amina's picture, as you can see in this. Now he is asking, Amina, how do you like it? Now he is asking, do you like the picture? So Amina saw the picture and what she is saying? But this is only half. Now as you can see in the picture, it is only half. So she asked, the picture is only half. Now what the painter says, the other half is exactly the same. So just put a mirror to get the complete picture. Now your painter, he is very smart. So what he did, he drew the half picture and he told we will put a mirror in front of it, so you will be able to see the whole complete picture. Now can I have my money? Now painter is asking for money. So what Amina did? Amina gave him 100 rupee note. So now here why Amina gave 100 rupee note? Let's see. Now painter is asking, but this is only half the money. Now painter is asking, you have given only the half money. So what Amina says, it is very interesting. The other half is exactly the same. So just put a mirror next to the note to get the full money. Haha. Now Amina is smarter than him. So what she did, she gave him 100 rupees note and she told put a mirror in front of it, so you can see the other 100 rupee note in the mirror. So you have the full money, means 100 plus 100 is 200. So here Amina is smarter than the painter. So this is called tit for tat. Now the next page. The painter had made many such pictures in which he drew one half of the things. Draw the other half of these pictures and find out what these things are. Try doing it with a mirror. Now here as you can see, this painter, like Amina's picture, he has drawn so many pictures like that. So we have to complete the pictures with the help of mirror. So same way you have to complete this picture by drawing the same half. So first what you will get, the first picture will be butterfly, next will be lamp, means diya, then you will find out cat, next will be star, and last will be fish. So this will be your homework. You have to complete the pictures, so you will find out all these things what I have already written. Next question is, can we repeat the painter's trick while drawing pictures of the following. Now, it is not compulsory that in all the pictures you can use painter's trick. Why? Because if the thing is same of half, so you can show it, but if it is not, you cannot show. Why? Because if this caterpillar is there, if I draw this half of this picture and if I show into mirror, so you will again see his face, not the tail part. So that is why it is not compulsory that you will be able to find the same picture by the help of mirror. So the answer will be no. For these drawings we cannot repeat the painter's trick. So which are the drawings? Caterpillar, this mug and the flag. In these pictures you cannot find the same image. Now what they have asked in the next question: if you ask the painter to draw the things which cannot be divided. Now there are so many things which cannot be divided into two similar mirror halves, then he cannot play the trick. So it is not possible for him to play the trick which things cannot be divided into two similar halves. So draw three more such things which cannot have similar mirror halves. So you can draw two pictures, three pictures which cannot be seen in similar mirror half. So I have given you two examples, like you can draw a duck or a teapot or any of the animals, birds, insects. So like this you can complete this picture. So here I end my part 3. Thank you, students.